Number 1. 1995 Chevrolet 1500, price $7,500. It has 179,000 miles on the odometer and comes equipped with a 350 TBI V8 paired to a 4L60E automatic transmission. Finished in sleek black with a striking red interior, the truck stands out both in style and presence. It features a lowered 4/6 drop with C-notches, rides on brand new BF Goodrich radial tires, and includes a Flowmaster exhaust for a deep, aggressive tone. Inside, it's upgraded with a single DAN CarPlay touchscreen head unit, a Pioneer 12-inch subwoofer paired with an Alpine 5-channel amplifier, and shaved doors and tailgate for a cleaner look. The transmission was rebuilt at approximately 160,000 miles, and it also has a throttle spacer for improved throttle response. While the truck is rust-free, it does have a few imperfections. The rear differential is beginning to whine and will likely need rebuilding, and the paint is not in perfect condition. Number 2. 1974 Chevrolet C20, price $6,500. It has 110,000 miles on the odometer and features an automatic transmission, a bold red exterior, and a tan interior. Powered by a built big block 454 engine paired with a TH400 transmission, it's equipped with quality headers and a dual exhaust system that delivers an impressive sound. The engine setup includes a comp cam with a spec sheet, a Wien Street Warrior intake, and a Holley 750 carburetor. Recently, the truck received new tires, new front wheel bearings, and fresh brakes, ensuring it is ready for the road. Everything on the truck functions as it should, making it a reliable daily driver, one the owner wouldn't hesitate to take on a road trip tomorrow. While it does have some rust in the usual spots, the cab and frame remain solid. Running on gasoline and backed by a clean Washington title in the owner's name, the C20 blends classic style with dependable performance. Number 3. 1970 Ford F250, price $8,000. With 140,000 miles on the odometer, it comes finished in a striking red exterior paired with a matching red interior. It's equipped with an automatic transmission and powered by a strong 390 FE V8 engine running on gasoline. The truck originated from Eastern Washington, meaning it has minimal rust, and the interior is in mint condition. The 390 FE runs exceptionally well, delivering plenty of power, while the newly rebuilt C6 automatic transmission, with less than 500 miles on it, shifts smoothly. It also features a recently rebuilt Autolite 2100 carburetor. Recent maintenance includes a new fuel filter, valve cover gaskets, spark plugs, and the transmission itself, ensuring it's ready for the road. Hit that like button if classic trucks make your heart race. Want to help us keep these legends on the road? Drop a super thanks, every bit counts. And don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell for more badass builds and barn finds. Number 4. 1975 Chevrolet 1500, price $4,250, equipped with a 350 V8 engine mated to an automatic transmission and 2WD showing just 89,000 miles. This truck, finished in a tan exterior with a matching brown interior, still runs and drives impressively well for its age. It offers the comfort of power steering and power brakes, with all systems functioning as they should. While it has spent much of its life outdoors and developed some minimal rust, the overall condition makes it an ideal foundation for a restoration project or a reliable daily driver. The only maintenance worth considering would be replacing the valve cover gaskets and bleeding the brakes, but aside from that, it's a true turnkey vehicle. Whether put straight to work or given a full restoration, this Chevrolet 1500 is ready to deliver the dependability and charm that made it a classic in the first place. Number 5. 2000 GMC Sierra 1500, price $8,900. With only 178,000 miles on the odometer. Finished in a crisp white exterior and paired with a gold leather interior, the cabin still looks remarkably close to new, showing minimal signs of wear. It is powered by a gasoline engine and equipped with a smooth automatic transmission, delivering a reliable and comfortable driving experience. This truck runs and drives great, with ice-cold air conditioning to keep the cabin comfortable in any weather. Convenience features include power windows, power door locks, tilt steering, and cruise control, all in proper working order. The body is free of rust, dents, and blemishes, and there are no warning lights on the dash. It sits on like new tires that enhance both its appearance and road performance. Number 6. 1978 Chevrolet Scottsdale, price $10,000. It runs on gasoline and shows 77,000 miles on the odometer, though the engine was rebuilt by Chevrolet and has approximately 55,000 miles since the rebuild. Equipped with a quadrajet carburetor that could use some fine-tuning, the truck's solid engine remains strong and reliable. It could also benefit from a new power steering pump, but it wouldn't take much to get this classic truck fully dialed in again. The paint is not perfect, yet the body is far from being a rust bucket, with only minor damage on the front driver's side fender and the typical hood bends on the sides caused by the springs. Inside, the condition is overall quite good, with a nice bench seat, although the driver's side carpet is worn and the door panels have some fading.
Number 7.
1973 Ford Ranger, price $10,000. It has traveled just 70,000 original miles since it was purchased brand new off the showroom floor in 1973.
It features an automatic transmission paired with power steering, making it smooth and easy to drive.
The truck wears an attractive blue exterior and rides on aftermarket 15-inch aluminum wheels, giving it a stylish yet period-appropriate look. A 5.5-inch drop axle in the front provides a lowered stance, while the dual exhaust system runs all the way to the rear, adding both performance and a distinctive sound.
The bed has been protected with a spray-in bed liner, ensuring durability for years to come. Number 8.
1989 Ford F250, price $5,800, showing 100,000 miles on the odometer, is as solid as they come. Powered by a gasoline engine paired with a manual transmission, it sports a clean white exterior and a classic blue interior. Completely stock aside from slightly beefier tires, this truck has enjoyed an easy, garage-kept life.
It starts right up, drives smoothly, and shifts effortlessly down the road.
Recently treated to a fresh wash and a full tune-up, it's ready for its next owner to enjoy. While the toolbox is not included, the only noted issues are a non-functioning rear dual tank and an AC system in need of a new compressor.
This well-preserved classic pickup is a testament to Ford's durability and timeless design. Number 9.
1988 Chevrolet R30, price $8,000. The truck is equipped with a fuel-injected 454 engine paired with a 4L80 transmission, managed by a fast TCU. It has proven to be a reliable running and driving project truck, offering solid fundamentals with a strong frame. The body showcases a patina finish along with some areas of rust, giving it a classic, aged look. Inside, it features 3 bench seating, power windows, power door locks, and factory air conditioning, combining vintage charm with functional comfort. All exterior lights have been upgraded to LEDs, adding a modern touch to its classic styling.
Number 10.
1995 Chevrolet 2500, price $6,500, powered by a strong-running 6.5L Detroit diesel turbocharged engine. It delivers the durability and pulling power these trucks are known for. The current owner has had the truck for 2 years, performing oil changes every 5,000 miles and keeping up with regular maintenance. Recent work includes new rear brakes, a brand new radiator to replace one that had developed a hole, a new thermostat with a complete coolant flush, a fresh oil change and filter, a new oil pressure sensor, and new fuel pumps. It also comes with new tires with less than 2,000 miles on them, a cold air intake for improved airflow, and a sturdy toolbox for added utility.